Hi, Eric Ladd here with Outlaw Realty at one of our newest, most exciting listings that we're bringing to the Outlaw family portfolio, 204 Lake Lodge, located in Moonlight Basin Club. So this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,100 square foot unit is located up at the Lake Lodge, right in the core of Moonlight Basin, right above Ulrich's Lake. What do I have to say that really stands out about this unit? It's about location within Moonlight Basin, but it's about the views. Wow. You walk into this incredible 2-bedroom unit, you open the front door and Lone Mountain sits right there. The best view in the whole valley, and you've got it right off the back deck of this unit. Some other really unique things about this location is it's located in that Lake Lodge unit, which has everything from the Outfitters program from Moonlight Basin, an amazing gym. It's got all sorts of things like basketball court and kids center. You're also just down the road from the Jack Nicklaus designed golf course. You're in the center of all the trail systems up here, both winter ski trails and hiking and biking trails in the summer. And you sit right above Ulrich's Lake, one of the best beaches to enjoy in the summertime up here. This incredible lake's got an amazing facility for getting out on the water on paddle boards, canoes, things like that. Once again, this unit offers everything from a great location, great value, amazing views. We'd love the opportunity of showing you this listing, 204 Lake Lodge. Welcome to the Outlaw family. We'd love the opportunity of showing you this listing.